wears a purple apron. And he loves to draw on his squiggle pad. And when he draws, he uses his squiggle sticks. One more here. And a little bit just here. And here we are. It's Squiglet.
Hi, my name is Emily Elizabeth, and this is Clifford, my big red dog.
Clifford needed Emily, so she chose him for her own. And her love made Clifford grow so big that the Howards had to leave their home. Clifford's the best friend anyone could know. He's the greatest dog ever. I really think so. Clifford's so loyal. He's there when you call. I love Clifford, the big red dog. So they packed up a family car, and the Howards left the city. They moved to Birdwell Island and their many new friends, there to greet Clifford and Emily. Clifford's so much fun, he's a friend to us all. I love Clifford, the big red dog.
Woo!
Nobody's perfect. Come on, Charlie, you can do it! Go, Charlie!
If we can get the ball past this goalie, we can get it past any goalie.
Woof, woof.
We can do it, Charlie. I know we can. Go, Charlie! Shoot! Yes! Great! Yeah!
Hey!
You're the best, Charlie.
Break over!
That was great!
Okay, class. Next Monday will be Silly Sports Day here at school.
What's Silly Sports Day, Miss Carrington?
Well, Vaz, it's kind of like the Olympics, but instead of serious sports, we do silly stuff.
Last year, I did the cream pie long jump. I jumped as far as I could into a huge whipped cream pie.
And I did the mile-long bike race on a little tricycle.
Sounds like fun!
That's what it's all about, Vaz, having fun. So everyone please pick an event from the hat. The field will be set up this weekend, so you can practice if you like. But remember, this isn't something to win at. It's a day to have fun.
I got the feather pillow toss. What did you get, Charlie?
Jiggly juggling.
You'll be great at that. You're good at everything.
Great. I got that messy old cream pie long jump.
It is messy. Last year, I got so covered in whipped cream, they put my picture in the paper.
The newspaper?
Yeah. Do you want to swap?
Oh, no thanks, Emily Elizabeth. The cream pie long jump sounds perfect to me. Juggling 3 squishy jigglies will be way too easy. I think I'll try juggling 6.
6? Wow! If anyone can do it, you can, Charlie. Hi, Clifford. Do you want to help me practice my pillow tossing tomorrow, boy?
Woof.
Let's meet here tomorrow morning and practice together.
Great! See you then.
Wow. Are you planning to eat all of that wiggly gelatin?
This is for Silly Sports Day, Dad. I'm going to be a jiggly juggler.
You'll be good at that.
sorry. I'll clean it up.
That's okay. But from now on, maybe you should practice outside. Huh?
Right.
I love slime. This is fun. Here goes the pillow toss. This is harder than it looks. I know I can do better than this. Wow! Look at it go! Clifford, were you helping me? You're a good friend, Clifford, and I appreciate your help. But you blowing on the pillow isn't fair. I need to do it myself. It's okay for now, but you can't do it on Silly Sports Day, okay?
Woof, woof.
Hey, everybody, look! Charlie's going to jiggly joggle.
This is gonna be good!
Okay, here goes nothing. That's one. Easy peasy.
Wow!
Okay, here comes three. Okay, I'll get it. I need a shower.
Hey, what's the matter with Charlie? I guess juggling's harder than you thought it would be.
I can't wait for Silly Sports Day, especially your event. Jiggly juggling.
I decided I'm not going to do it.
Oh?
Juggling's too hard.
Yeah, it is kind of hard.
Huh?
I never could quite do it myself. Ooh.
You look silly, Dad.
It's fun just to be silly sometimes.
Yeah, but I told everyone I was going to be so good at juggling and that I'd juggle 6 jiggly bags.
Even if you're not good at it, Charlie, it's still fun to try new things, huh? Even when you miss. Don't be afraid to try, son. Just do your best and enjoy yourself.
Okay, Dad. Thanks. Hey, I'm not so bad. Ugh, I'm terrible. I'm never going to juggle again. Never.
Whoa.
I can't, Clifford. I'm no good at this. Okay. I'll try it again. It is kind of fun, I guess. Wow, 4 bags! Look at me! Wahoo! This is fun! Oh, brilliant. Okay. I'll do it.
Woof, woof, woof.
for 6. Come on, Clifford. Throw me one. Perfect. Whoa. Ta-da! How's that for silly?
Great job, Charlie!
That was very silly.
Yeah!
Thanks. It was fun. And thank you, Clifford. I couldn't have been silly without you.
Oh, look, everyone! Jetta's doing the cream pie long jump.
Come on, Charlie. Let's watch her. Yeah! You did it, Jetta!
Hey, where are the newspaper people? Who's going to take my picture so I can be in the newspaper? Oh, yuck! Clifford, stop it! Ugh.
You've got one really big fan, Jetta. The biggest fan on the whole island. Clifford! Clifford and I know that everyone could use a helping hand now and then. That's why Clifford's big idea for today is help others.
Oh no! I can't find it anywhere!
Hi, T-Bone. I was on my way to Clifford's house. Do you want to come?
No thanks.
Hey!
Oh, sorry, Cleo. It's just that I buried a bone here yesterday and I can't find it.
Can I help?
Yeah, thanks.
Hi, guys. What you doing?
I'm looking for a bone I buried.
And I'm helping.
Let me help too. Found it.
You did find it. You're the best friends a dog could ever have.
When you help someone, you really make them feel good. And you make yourself feel pretty good too. That's why Clifford's big idea for today is help others.
Ready to go. I'm going to be on the telly.
Where?
We're going to be famous. Wahoo! Get in, Matt!
Jacobs, Fridays at 5 on CBeebies.
Are you in the mood for some dancing? Well, so am I, and I have Sid's dance mat here. It's a fantastic dancing computer game. But we have a new move. Right, so when you see this sign, you touch your toes. That's it, all the way down, touch your toes. So when you see this sign, touch your toes. Are you touching your toes? Good. Now we're ready for level 3. Here we go. 3, 2, 1... Up we go! Right, OK, dance this side, into the centre. Yes, over here. Are you dancing? Doing the moves? Back to the centre. And, up. Yeah, down. Clap your hands.